This is a step-by-step trackpad replacement for the MacBook Air 15-inch 2024. You'll need pentalobe and tri-point drivers, a spudger, tweezers, and an anti-static mat. Power off the MacBook, then remove the 5 bottom pentalobe screws in sequence. Lift the bottom case gently, then disconnect the battery connector before continuing. Unscrew the trackpad bracket, then disconnect the ribbon cable and lift the old trackpad out. Compare the replacement trackpad, align the ribbon, and remove any protective film. Place the new trackpad into the chassis and seat the ribbon carefully into the connector. Reinstall the trackpad bracket and tighten the screws snugly, keeping parts organized. Reconnect the battery, then run a quick power-on test to check click and tracking. Use labeled screws, bottom screws 1.2 Nm, bracket screws 0.8 Nm for consistent torque. Reattach the bottom case, tighten the pentalobe screws in a diagonal pattern, and wipe fingerprints. Boot into macOS, verify gestures and force click, and if unsure consult an authorized technician.